I can see the addition of the two complex numbers 5 plus nj. So here I use j to indicate the imaginary part here. Like this, I can assign the different data types in Python. Hi students. Now let us see a program on how to print the type of data. So which type of the value are assigned that I can identify in Python with the help of a function called type. Okay. So what is type? Type is a built-in function which is used to print the type of data. So like here, I'm assigning the student age equal to 15. So I'm printing the age. Which type of the data it is? Generally, it is a integer. Just run this code. See here 50. Which type of data it is? It is a integer type. And students average mark 70.85. This is which type of the data type here? It is the float type. Next, third one is something I'm writing student name equal to what the Ravindra. Okay, so now it is giving it as a string. So student place equal to, yeah. So you can write the string within the double quotes, as I told you that within the single quotes. Now also it is printing. And student has mail, whether he has the mail ID or not. If yes, it's printing bold. Next, like complex number something x equal to, I write something 3 plus 5j. Now I write print type of x. So what it is